Aloha, it's Tani here, and today I'll be showing you how to make Chinese almond cookies, right from my grandma's recipe box. My dad's favorite, the kind that he remembers eating warm, fresh out of the oven.
And in Hawaii, that little red dot is the classic marker. You see it and you already know what it tastes like. First, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, sift together the flour, sugar, salt, and baking powder. This makes everything mix evenly and keeps the texture nice and crumbly. Add the shortening, then use a pastry blender to cut it into the dry mix until it looks like coarse crumbs, kind of like damp sand. This is the step that gives the cookies that classic crumbly bite. Add an almond extract, beaten egg right into the bowl and mix it into the flour mixture until the dough looks like small pieces and crumbs. It won't look like smooth cookie dough, and that's exactly what you want. Now use a cookie scoop to portion the dough. Take each scoop and press it together with your hands, then roll it into a ball. Yes, it'll feel a little crumbly, but keep pressing and rolling until the ball forms. Place the dough balls on an ungreased cookie sheet. Press your thumb or finger into the center to make a slight indent. If the cookie cracks too much, just gently flatten and smooth the ball first, then make your indent. Now for the signature. Dip the back of a 1/4 teaspoon into the red food coloring and stamp a dot right in the center of each cookie. Bake for about 15 minutes until the cookies are lightly browned on the bottom. This texture is the whole point, crumbly and crisp. The cookie is not too sweet and super almondy. Perfect with coffee or tea, or honestly, straight off the cooling rack. If you want the full recipe, it's on my blog, or check the description for the link. Now tell me, do you remember growing up with these red dot cookies? It's really good.